whenever you have water running out of here, it's coming down into the sink, just take that cap off. Take this insert off. Right there, it's got two little clips on it. Be careful and don't break those. Okay? This thing's gonna be dirty. There's a hole there. There's another hole. I don't know if you can tell it's down there. There is another hole down there. Take your trusty cable line. You might have to cut the end of this off. Press it down in there. Back and forth, back and forth. And look, down here in the disposal, here's the head of it, right? Okay, that's all clean. This is actually a lot cleaner than you'll have if it's stopped up because I've already done it. But I wanted to show you that trick. It's a lot better than having to climb down here, disconnect these hoses in the back, and deal with that situation like that. Anyway, hey, there's your trick of the trade, and you do not need a DeWalt to do this.